My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Meduza. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without troubles. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Meduza ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. And then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware may encrypt the files and damage the files considerably, so then it's just impossible to use the files. Then the ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea, and this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay that ransom and don't waste the money. What I recommend you to urgently do is to remove this ransomware, and this can help you stop further file damage. You definitely need to remove this ransomware. I recommend that you restart your computer, and then as a tool to remove the ransomware, I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. So these are the consequences. The ransomware appends this Meduza24 extension to the file names. It also reveals the ransom note, how to back files. But for some reasons I cannot open this ransom note. Anyway, to remove this ransomware called Meduza, I recommend you to do that with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So most likely you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser for that purpose. After you download Combo Cleaner through the official site combocleaner.com, this is the way it looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scanning you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found on the system. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. So at the end of the scanning by Combo Cleaner, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license and you can request for the trial. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover the data.